Let's begin. Planning and Control Management, Part 3, how to establish or develop detailed baseline program. Previous episode, Part 3, Session 7, we discussed the report layouts, activity usage profile. Now we will be discussing the current episode, Part 3, Session 8. It's about report layouts also, but it's about a resource usage spreadsheet. In other words, it is called a resource assignment unit and cost distribution. And the methods to create a resource usage spreadsheet is one by Primavera P6 resource usage spreadsheet feature. Second is by Primavera P6 report wizard feature, and the third is by MS Excel spreadsheet. Okay, I forget to say hello. I hope everyone are doing well today. Before we proceed, let me present first the activity usage profile we did in our recent session because I presented the wrong one. Okay, here it is. Primavera P6 activity usage profile. So this is the one we accomplished in our last session. It looks very simple, right? Okay, let's continue our exercise on how to create a layout for a resource usage spreadsheet. Previously, we work on the activity usage spreadsheet, but now we will be working on the resource usage spreadsheet. We call it as resource assignment unit and cost distribution. Okay, let's move forward. Let's go to Primavera P6. Okay. Okay, let's go to a resource assignment. Okay, I think we have already here the resource assignment. So here we go. So we will modify the column. So what columns do we need here? Resource name, the budgeted, try to remember how I executed. I just click this resource assignment, and then it shows here this one. And then we will be modifying everything to be looks good for presentation of the resource usage distribution. So next is we need the duration. I think there's no need for the duration. What we need here is only the budgeted units and the budgeted cost. Actually, if you click this one, there are 3 lines of dump truck share because it is assigned to every activity, but we don't need the activity here. We only need the resources data. So, or we can remove this one by clicking here. We will customize the organization. So let's say the resource. Okay, I think this is already fine. only the resources we need here to be shown. Okay. So what we need is the resource name, budgeted units, budgeted cost. I think it's already okay here. Let's check the time scale. So I'll be using the primary year month. If you want to, your profile will be in monthly distribution. You have to use a select year month, and also for the ordinal dates, it's a month also. Okay. We'll stretch this. Okay. So under the resource usage, actually we can show the budgeted units and the budgeted cost. Actually the same procedure as in activity usage spreadsheet, except that you have to use the resource assignment window rather than the activity window. Okay, when you use the activity window, it shows a different, it only shows the properties or the, yes, the properties of the activity. But if you use the resource assignment, only the resource governs here. Okay, so if we will show the units and cost on this distribution. So that means we have to right click here and then spreadsheet option. No. Actually, the spreadsheet option, we don't really need this one. We will go to spreadsheet field, customize, and then here, if we want to show here on the distribution, the units and the budgeted cost. So we have to select the budgeted units and the budgeted cost here. So we have the cumulative and the time interval. So we have to select under the time interval. Okay. This one, put it there. This one, put it there. It comes from here. Okay. We will put it back. Put it back. Okay. We will go to cost time interval. So this is the budgeted cost. And how about the units? So we will go to units, budgeted units. Okay. Okay. Move it to the upper portion and then apply. So here, you can see here the budgeted units, budgeted cost. So that means for every resources, we have to show the distribution of the units, of the budgeted units and the budgeted cost. Okay. Okay, let's preview it. Let's say, okay. So what we need to do here is to change this header, the title of the center section of the header. We will change it to what? Okay. Units and cost distribution. I think this is already fine. Okay, I think it's already fine. Resource usage spreadsheet. That means that is the resource units and cost distribution. I remember the one that we prepared recently, the activity. Here, the resource usage spreadsheet, but the recent one is the activity usage spreadsheet. That means in here, the resource usage spreadsheet, that means we are focusing on the individual resources. Okay. Here, actually, this one, we can modify whatever we want in here. But for me, this is a clear or not a messy presentation, because here dump truck, you can see the duration, the budgeted units, the total budgeted cost. If you add the items here, it will come up into here. Let's say, for example, for the units, budgeted units, if we will add this 11 by 33, how much was it? Is it 10, 1, 8? Yes, it is exactly 90. So 11 plus 33 plus 46 equals to 90. So I'm pretty sure if you add this 400, 1.2 million and 1.6, it will come up to 3.2 million. Okay, so what we need to do here is to print, and we're done. No, yes, we have to print this one, and then we will print it into what name in PDF. So I think we will use the Primavera what resource Primavera P6 resource usage spreadsheet. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, let's close this one. Now we will proceed to the second method is by Primavera P6 report wizard. So actually they are the same procedure as in what we did in the activity usage profile. I mean the activity usage spreadsheet. Okay, so we'll go there, we'll move. Okay, we'll go to tools, report wizard. The only difference here is that still we have to use the current screen, right? So that it will adapt whatever our layout here, it will be adapted in here. So next, time distributed, right? Okay. Now what will be our subject now? Our subject now is the activity, resource, and role assignment. Previously, our subject is the activities. I hope you understand the difference of the two. Okay, so we will highlight activity resource and the next, and then column. So we will show, you see the column is automatically adapted. So the resource name, budgeted units, and budgeted cost. Okay, so apply it and then click OK. Then group and sort. So what will be our sorting here? So we will sort it by resource. Resource ID and name, okay? And then we will use the hierarchical arrangement of the resource. Okay, let's try it. Okay, next. Okay, apply. And the next, we will just try it. We can see it in the, how about the filter? Of course, the filter should be, um, the project. The project is what? Equals to uh, DBL. Okay, this one. Okay, next, let's try this one. Okay, next. Will not show this one because it will just crowding the uh, window. Okay, time scale, project start, monthly, project finish. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go. We'll go to time interval. Okay, it's already adapted in here. We use the budgeted units and the budgeted cost, so that's okay. And then next, we will rename this into what? Resource. Oh my God, resource usage spreadsheet. Okay, next. Okay, let's run. Let's look at the, okay, again. So we will click this one and then we will cancel. We will be using this one, I think. No. We'll be using this one. Properties, advanced, A03. Okay. Let's landscape. Okay. Okay. So we are short because it should be in April. So we will go here. And then let's say we will use the fit one. If we can, oh, it's very, we will use the adjust to, let's say, 85. Okay, if you look at here, the arrow, you can see whether there is an extra sheet. If you look at here, there is a extra sheet for one sheet, but the width is already enough. So if we click it, we have 3 pages. You see? So how can we put it into one page? Okay, let's move again. Let's get back. Time interval, time scale, that's enough. I think this is in the sorting. So we will use the level 1. Let's try it. Or I think we need to remove this one. I think we don't need this. Okay, let's remove it. And then apply. Then okay. Let's look at the oh, every time you landscape, apply. We will use the 84. No, header. Page, adjust to 85. So we have 3 pages. So why it is so, you will 3 pages. Okay, let's get back. I think we need to show only the summary. And then remove this bottom. Okay. Apply. Our purpose here is to put it in one page only. Okay. What happened? P03. Okay, apply. Why there is no value here? This is the difficulty in the wizard because, okay, let's get back. We have to organize it by resource and ID name. How about if we will remove this one? Resource and ID name show summarize only. Go select all. We will show the grand total. Let's show it the top. Okay. Let's try. It will be done by trial and error. There is no value. Page 85. You see, it's already okay. The arrangement's already okay. Only the values now is cannot be seen. So let's get back again. Spreadsheet time. It's okay. It's okay. Folder is project. It's fine. What's the problem? Okay, let's get back. Okay. The value is not shown. That means, uh, Total top. Apply. Sort. Okay. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, there we go. Just a matter of trial and error. Okay, so we will move it here. Oh my gosh. $85. Okay. At last, we've done it. Let's make it a little bit bigger because we have the margin here. Let's say we'll make it 86. No good. 85 is just enough. Okay. So we will do the header. I think we're done all here. So if you look at the budgeted total cost, how much? 26,047,058.40. How much is there is, you know, the reason why it is not exactly as 26. The total of our overall project is 26 point, this is lesser than the other one. It is because the expenses here is not included. Okay. The expenses is included only into the activity usage spreadsheet. But here in the resource, this is only specific for a resource assignment. So expenses is not included here. That is why the total cost is lesser than the overall project cost. Okay. So let's go to header. So we will put the picture of as usual. Okay. Where is our picture here? Where can we find it? I cannot find already where is our logo here. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go here. Oops. Apply. It's very small. About if we will not resize, we will change it. No, it's very small. I couldn't find the logo anymore. Where did I put it? Okay, here. Apply. Still very small. And here, wait for a minute. About if we will be using this one. It's so big. We will reduce it. Always click this one. Apply. Okay, anyway, that is depends on the apply. Okay. Move it at the center. Then apply. Okay. Actually, in the logo, you can use the picture or the text or the logo. Okay, let's go here. Now, let's try the picture. And now we will use the what do you call this? The other one. Primcon. Let's apply it. Okay. And then we will edit the PDLM site development. Okay, PDLM. Capital letter. PDLM site development. Then next is activity, no. Detailed or resource usage spreadsheet. Next is what? Data date. Okay. Type data date and then select the data date here. Put your cursor here and then add. Okay, let's change the text size. Let's say we'll use the black bold, let's say 12. Okay, and here we will use the Arial narrow. Okay, 12, that's fine. Okay, and then let's change the color in blue. And we will change here the color, highlight it, and then click that one, then change the color to maroon, then apply. Okay, done. So it is already in one page of A3 size paper. Okay. So let's print it and into PDF. So here you can see the activity units. This is the total of the periodic value here in the monthly interval of the whole project duration. So the units, the values here are for the units at the top and cost at the bottom. And the total of the units and the cost here, if you sum up all the cost and units for the 10 months duration of the project, so it will come up into the total here. Okay, so let's go to printing. And then what will be the good PDF here? Let's say Primavera P6. Let's say I will use the resource usage spread P6 resource. No, resource usage. Let's say we will change into a report wizard. Okay, and then save. Okay, we will collect all this PDF and then we will display or present it later in our slide to show all the reports that we have accomplished. Okay, let's close. And then next, we will go to next. And then we will save. So the report was saved as a resource usage spreadsheet. So that means our report here that we did in this report wizard will be registered into the report section of Primavera P6. Okay. Okay, let's go and then finish. So the report section here is here. You can see here tools. We just use the report wizard, but now we'll go to report and then click report. And then here you can see the one that we prepared, resource usage spreadsheet. That is the just a while ago. So let's open it and then run, then report, and then okay. So you see, this is the one we prepared. So whenever we want to see it again, so we can use here the report, the tools and report to view the report that we have created. Okay. So let's proceed to what? Excel spreadsheet. So meaning we will be preparing the resource usage spreadsheet using the MS Excel. Okay. So let's go to resource assignment. So here, so what we will be doing here is to open our Excel file. Okay, we will open our Excel file and then next, no. First, we have to, very simple. We have to copy and paste. That's simple. Okay, highlight and then copy and paste. Copy and then Control C. And then we will go into our MS Excel. Okay, here we go. And then we will paste it. Let's say we'll just put it here so that at the top will be the title. So Control V. Okay, it's very simple, right? Okay, we will fit it to column. Okay, we will make this into center. Okay. And then next is we will create the title here. Or we will say, you know why, the reason why this is two dump truck, let's say, for example, dump truck. It is because one for the resource units and the other is for the resource cost. That is why two items of the same resource are listed here. Unlike in Primavera, we have only one resource name, but for the two items, units and budgeted cost. Okay, so let's make a what do you call this? Title for this one. So let's say PDLM. Let's make it in capital letter. PDLM site development. And then what will be the activity? No, we will make it as a resource usage Excel spreadsheet. Actually, in the real work, you should not put this as this way. I just put it here to distinguish the method on how we derive the layout. Okay, that is why I put Excel spreadsheet. But when you work on the actual okay, next is the data date. Let's say 1 June. The only problem here, because if you copy and paste from Primavera down to Excel, these items will not be copied unless if you will be, I'm not sure, I can't remember if you will use the export way of transferring the data of Primavera to Excel. Well, it works, but for me, this is the easiest one. Okay, so we will put this at the center. So we will be okay. We will merge it to center also, and then apply, and then we will just copy the format. Okay, so we'll make this into Arial black, and this one into narrow, and make it bold. So we'll make this as blue, and then we will make this as maroon. Is it maroon? Okay. So the next thing we need here is to right click, and then format cell, we will put the border line. Okay, and then apply. So it's done. Actually, in the real work, in the real world, you have to enhance this by, of course, you have to make some changes in here to make it looks better for presentation. But this is our only exercise, so there's no need for it, as long as the important is that you know the procedure on how to do it. Okay, so let's view it and then fit it on the page. Okay, we'll put it into one page. Okay, the normal, the file, print, and then let's say we print it up, let's say landscape, and we'll be using the A3 to make it spacious. Okay, and then margin. So let's make it horizontally and vertically center. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do here, we will make it 100% if it will work. Or I think fit to 1 on 1. Oh, it's very, okay. So how about if we will widen the row height so that it will looks better. Let's say we'll make it 30. Okay, then file preview. Where is it? Okay, perfect. How about this one? So we will, the margin is so big. Anyway, we'll look at the margin. So we will lesser it. No. 1.8. Okay. It won't work, but how many pages is it? Yeah, it looks June, July, August, September, October. Okay, I think this is already fine. So I think we can, the logo, we can copy and paste here also. In Excel, it is doable. So, okay, let's print this. We will make it as MS Excel. Oh, MS Excel resource usage spreadsheet. Am I right? Okay, save. Okay, done. So what's next? I think we're done already here. I think this is enough. So let's mm, I think it's good to take a rest. Our next episode is part 3, session 9, how to establish detailed baseline program, report layouts, resource usage profile. So that will be our next episode is to profile the one that we work for today. So it is a matter of profiling. Okay, so see you for the next episode, and thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, the end of our session, and God bless to all, and goodbye.